What's up? It's your girl Simply Sheek, and I am back with another video. So what's up, y'all? I'm back. I know I'm terrible, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to use natural sunlight. It rained today in Chicago and the sun is hiding. It's about what time? 5:30. So let's get to it. I'm gonna be working with an Outre wig today. I think my next few wigs are Outre wigs, but this one is the Kimora in ginger brown. It's a lace front wig. This wig, I like the ginger brown. Ever since I did the curly wig with the like reddish color, I've been like into that. Like, that's gonna be cute, you know what I'm saying? So, oh, I got a new camera too, y'all. Anyway, okay, boom. So let me go ahead and pour her out. All right, so it has only that little part. It's a pretty deep part actually. Has 2 combs on the sides. I'm pretty sure it has 1 in the back and adjustable straps. So this is the inside make of it. Okay, so let me go ahead and just try her on first and foremost. Has like a little curl in the front too, so it's pretty cool. So let's try her on as is. Okay, can y'all see? Let me dip down a little bit. And I don't have a mirror. I'm literally looking in my viewfinder. Why didn't I grab a mirror? I don't know, child. Let me get a mirror. Okay, so I'm back with a mirror. And let me just try to get this on my head because right now, that's cute. Okay, it's a little tight and I don't think I have a huge head, to be honest. Maybe I should just cut off this lace and see how it goes from there. I need to get some duck clips, so let me just like clip this out the way. Ooh, this color is giving. Okay, it is giving. So what's up? Where y'all been at? Oh, hope y'all can't see the mishaps of my makeup, but let me go ahead and take this off. And let me make sure this wig is a little tight, but I can't take it back, so let's see what happens. Hopefully, once again, y'all can't hear my neighbors. I tried to film during the time that no one was on, but it's Saturday and yeah. Oh my gosh. One day I'll have a house and this will not be a problem, but I do got kids too, so I don't know how that's gonna happen, but they be loud. They be loud upstairs, and it's literally like only 1 kid and some adults. Okay, so we're back. The lace is cut, and let's just try to put this back on the head. I'm hoping I don't have to glue her down. Okay, it fits way better now that she is cut, because that lace was like really not doing it. And I hope, I'm trying to think, should I get a light? Should I get a light? Okay, so hopefully y'all can see me a lot better. I went ahead and got this little ring light I had bought a while back. My makeup is looking crazy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna make it do what it do. So let's go ahead and take the clips out. Now, because I really don't want to, oh, this is so cute. Y'all see that? Oh, Noah, are you serious? Okay, yeah, because that was way too bright. My son, everybody just, you know, pray for me. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to finesse this hairline because I really don't want to glue it down. I'm going to pull out my hair in the front. Even though my hair is like darker than this, like I just want to camouflage the lace. And I wish I had some lace tint because that would probably like be way better. But overall, this is super cute. And to be honest, I probably should wear like a darker headband. Oh my god. I mean head wig cap. But look at this. Y'all, this is giving living. And I don't know how much I paid. I will for sure put that on the screen somewhere, how much I paid, because baby, like, look at this wig, look at this color. Okay, for sure. Yep, this will definitely be worn this summer for do y'all see this? No baby, do y'all see this? Like, oh my gosh, this is cute. I need to like get something to like lay this down, but child, my makeup wanna do its own thing. Let me go ahead and lay down my baby hair. Oh, that's way too much, baby. Let's like, should I lay it down? You know what, I'm just gonna brush my hairs back. What I would recommend is just getting like some hair, either some makeup or something to just cover up the side. Cause like, look at that. You can't even see it over there. But like, just get some makeup to just cover up the color of the lace, and baby, you're good to go. So I'm just gonna lay a little bit of my baby hairs. Just a little bit. Come on, phone, not today, not right now. And here we are. So what y'all think? Child nose wanna run. Everything wanna. This is cute. Oh, okay, like little highlights. Y'all see that? Yeah, baby. This is it. This is cute. This is my speed for sure. And it's La Synthetica. I think you can, I believe you can put heat to this up to like 400 degrees, but I will for sure fact check myself on the side somewhere. So yeah, this is it. Let me show you the back. Hopefully it didn't get blurry, but here's a close-up. Once again, like I said, get some foundation or something to put it right. I mean, not foundation. Do not put foundation. I would say powder for sure. Put it right there, and boom, good to go. This is cute. This is really cute. This she's giving. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this wig because I'm feeling her. Please do not forget, and it's not too thick. It's so light. It is super light. I can run my fingers through this all day. Like, okay, so please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next ones to come. All right, see y'all. Bye.